Picture this, mamas. You are trapped in a gorgeous 5-star villa in Maui, surrounded by your amazing extended family, and you suddenly realize it has been 4 hours since your last session and you are about to burst. Pumping on vacation is already a whole mood, but doing it under the constant, well-meaning gaze of your mother-in-law or your brother-in-law can feel like a total nightmare. If you want to keep your liquid gold flowing without sacrificing your privacy or your luxury vacation aesthetic, you need a serious game plan. Today, we are spilling the tea on exactly how to pump discreetly when traveling with extended family, so you can protect your peace and your supply like a total VIP. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to spot for navigating motherhood without losing your mind or your high-end lifestyle. We know that traveling with a huge group can be an absolute blast, but it also means zero privacy. Grab an iced coffee and let's get into it, because we are breaking down the ultimate travel hacks to keep your pumping journey completely undercover. First things first, let's talk gear, because your old plug-in wall pump is not going to cut it on this trip. If you want to be completely stealth, investing in a high-end, cordless wearable pump like the LV or Willow is a total game changer. These sleek little devices slip right into your nursing bra, have no external tubes, and are quiet enough to run during family game night without anyone noticing. Throw on an oversized, chic designer cashmere sweater or a flowing linen button-down, and you can literally sit on the deck, sipping a mimosa with your aunts, while extracting ounces of milk. It is the ultimate power move. No one has to know you are executing a full session right under their noses. Next, you need a solid strategy for managing the logistics without turning the communal kitchen into a total zone of awkwardness. Ditch the standard plastic baggies and clear bottles that scream to the world what you're doing. Instead, grab a super bougie travel chiller like the Sears Chill. It looks exactly like a high-end designer water bottle, fits beautifully in your travel tote, and keeps your milk perfectly cold for over 20 hours. When you finish a session, you can discreetly pour your milk into the chiller right in your bedroom, avoiding the shared fridge entirely. For cleaning your parts, do not wash them in the main sink while your father-in-law is making breakfast. Grab a dedicated luxury wet bag, toss your used pump parts inside, and use the fridge hack by storing the whole bag in a cooler in your room, or slip into your private bathroom to use quick wipe breast pump wipes. Finally, let's talk about setting boundaries like a boss. You love your family, but you do not owe them a play-by-play of your lactation schedule. Use your itinerary to your advantage. When the group heads down to the resort pool or goes out for a stroll, stay back for 20 minutes claiming you need to check a work email or hop on a quick call. If you're stuck inside together, block out your time by claiming you need to jump into a private room to unpack, freshen up, or do a quick skincare routine. Taking control of your schedule and confidently carving out those pockets of time ensures your stress levels stay at absolute zero, which is exactly what your output needs. Pumping while traveling with extended family does not have to be a stressful ordeal. With the right gear, a little bit of discretion, and your favorite oversized fits, you can keep your milk safe and your privacy intact. If you love these hacks and want more real talk on navigating motherhood, luxury travel, and high-end baby gear, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us your ultimate tip for surviving family vacations. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.